Hey guys, I just want to let you know how you can let the water out of your backflow preventer on your irrigation. I had to replace mine last year when it froze and it broke it, so it's really rather easy to do. I just want to show you. Find the green bag on the side of your house. If you don't have one, then it'll be a set of pipes that look like this. And when you come up to it, you can see you got two valves on it. They're in line there. You want to shut those off, so clockwise, turn them off. And then what you'll do is you'll take a flathead screwdriver, and there's 3 screws right here. And you take the screws and you just turn them 45 degrees. Watch out, water might come out. Watch out, Becca. All right, and you see water will come out and drain. And you can go ahead and do all 3 of the screws here, just to make sure there's no other in there. And then, got a little water out of it. And then you want to take an open-ended wrench, crescent wrench, adjustable. And there's under here, there's a big nut. Just loosen that.
Overhand so that you can see.
You want to loosen that. It's counterclockwise. Turn it open. And you see all the water comes out. There's a spring on it. That's fine. And then you just screw it back in. Give it a little tighten, and now you're winterproofed and frozen proof. So now this won't freeze, it's drained to water, and it won't crack.